Let's understand statistics in this video. Have you ever wondered how numbers like exam scores or survey results give us clear ideas about a group of people? Statistics helps us collect, organize, and learn from such numbers so we can make simple statements about a larger group. Statistics has two main parts: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics summarizes data so we can see its main features at a glance. In descriptive statistics, we look at three things: center, spread, and position. Measures of central tendency tell us the center or typical value. Common ones are mean, median, and mode. The arithmetic mean or average is the sum of all values divided by the number of values. Example: Tom scored 88, 97, 90, and 85 in 4 subjects. We add these numbers to find the sum. The sum is 360. Divided by 4 gives mean equal to 90. The median is the middle value when data are arranged in order. If there are two middle values, we take their average. Example: for the set 4, 7, 1, 0, 9, arrange them as 0, 1, 4, 7, 9, so the median is 4. For the set 3, 2, 5, 10, 8, 7, arrange as 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Then the median is 5 plus 7 divided by 2, which equals 6. When numbers are evenly spaced, the mean and median are equal. For example, for 4, 8, 10, 6, the mean is 7 and the median is also 7. The mode is the value that appears most often. A set can have one mode, more than one mode, or no mode. Example: in 3, 4, 7, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9, 13, the mode is 3 because it appears most often. A list like 21, 34, 9, 57, 64, 34, 90, 9, 12, 2, 34, 9 has two modes, 34 and 9. If every value appears once, like 6, 7, 36, 2, 1, 41, then there is no mode. Here is a question that links mean and median. The mean of 2, 6, 9, 13, x is 9, so we can find x. Sum of known numbers 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 equals 30. Since mean equals 9 for 5 numbers, total sum is 9 times 5, which is 45. So x equals 45 minus 30, which is 15. Next, arrange the set 5, 9, 11, 15, 22, 38 to find the median. The two middle values are 11 and 15. So the median is 11 plus 15 divided by 2, which equals 13. Measures of dispersion describe how spread out the values are. Common measures are range and standard deviation. Range is the simplest. It is the largest value minus the smallest value. For 3, 4, 10, 14, 8, the range equals 14 minus 3, which is 11. Standard deviation shows the average distance from the mean and is the square root of the variance. I will show the steps with an example. Take the set 3, 4, 8, 10. First find the mean. Mean equals 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 4, which is 25 divided by 4, giving 6.25. Find each deviation from the mean. 3 minus 6.25 equals minus 3.25. 4 minus 6.25 equals minus 2.25. 8 minus 6.25 equals 1.75. 10 minus 6.25 equals 3.75. Square each deviation. Square of minus 3.25 is 10.5625. Square of minus 2.25 is 5.0625. Square of 1.75 is 3.0625. Square of 3.75 is 14.0625. Find the mean of these squared deviations to get the variance. Variance equals sum of these four numbers, 32.75 divided by 4, which equals 8.1875. Standard deviation is the square root of 8.1875, which is about 2.86. Inferential statistics uses a sample to make educated guesses about a larger population. It helps us estimate, test ideas, and measure uncertainty. Common sampling methods used to pick representative samples include simple random sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling, and systematic sampling. Now let us go through some solved questions to practice these ideas step by step. Question number 1 asks, if the mean of 28, x, 42, 78, and 104 is 62, what is the mean of 48, 62, 98, 124, and x? First, find the sum of the known numbers in the first series. 28 plus 42 plus 78 plus 104 equals 252. The total for the first series must be 62 times 5, which equals 310. So x equals 310 minus 252, which is 58. Sum of the known numbers in the second series is 48 plus 62 plus 98 plus 124, which equals 332. The difference in sums is 80, and each series has 5 numbers. So the average increases by 80 divided by 5, which is 16. Therefore, the average of the second series equals 62 plus 16, which is 78. Question number 2 asks, the mean of 5 consecutive integers starting with s is a. What is the mean of 9 consecutive integers starting with s plus 2? The mean of 5 consecutive integers is the third term, so a equals s plus 2. 9 consecutive integers starting at s plus 2 have middle term s plus 6, so the mean is a plus 4. Question number 3 asks about weights. The average of 30 friends increases by 1 kilogram when the coach is added, and the new average is 31 kilograms. So the old average was 30 kilograms and total weight for 30 friends was 30 times 30, which is 900 kilograms. Total after adding the coach is 31 times 31, which is 961. So the coach weighs 961 minus 900, which is 61 kilograms. Question number 4 asks about wages over 15 days with an overall average of $90. First 7 days average 87 and last 7 days average 92. Total for 15 days is 15 times 90, which is $1,350. Total for first 7 days is 7 times 87, which is 609. Total for last 7 days is 7 times 92, which is 644. So the wage on the 8th day equals 1350 minus 609 minus 644, giving $97. Question number 5 says, the average of 5 numbers is 6, so their sum is 30. The average of 3 of them is 8, so their sum is 24. The remaining 2 have sum 6 and their average is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So what do we learn from this? We learn how mean, median, and mode tell us about center, how range and standard deviation tell us about spread, and how samples help us make inferences about a population. Let us quickly remember the main points. Mean is sum divided by count, median is the middle value, mode is the most frequent value, range is max minus min, and standard deviation measures average distance from the mean. So today we learned the basic tools of descriptive and inferential statistics and solved typical questions step by step. Keep exploring and practicing these ideas. Take small steps and you will get confident with statistics. Do check more notes and practice questions on EduRev to build strong problem-solving skills. And keep learning at your own pace.